Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to the Inspiration of Islamic Education podcast, where we explore knowledge, inspiration, and insight about the world of Islamic education. And I am Maulana Ridwan Jalani Mustafa, and in front of me, our two great speakers who will accompany you for the next few minutes. And today we will discuss a very important topic, which is the importance of studying the science of Islamic education management. And this topic is not only relevant for teachers or school principal, but also for anyone who care about the future progress of Islamic education. And so don't go anywhere and keep listening until the end, okay?
Okay.
And before we move on, it will be good if we give our speaker the time to introduce themselves. The time is her.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, my name is Fatimah Zahra Imami. You can call me Zahra and I'm 19 years old. I'm from Krajangan Probolinggo and I'm studying in University Islam Zainul Hasan. In my free time, I enjoy cooking, reading, playing sport. My major is Islamic Education Management. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Aiza Amelia Citra. You can call me Citra. I am from Maron Probolinggo. I am a student of Islamic Education Management at Zainul Hasan Islamic University.
Thank you. Now I ask the host of this podcast event will divide into 4 segments, and each question in each segment will be answered by our two speakers. Let's start our podcast today by reading Al-Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. For the first question is, what is the science of Islamic education management? For the first speaker, please answer the question.
Okay. Before we go deeper, let's first understand what Islamic education management is. Simply put, the science of Islamic management is a branch of science that combines modern management principles with Islamic values to manage the education system. The goal, clearly, to create educational institutions that are not only academically superior, but also able to produce a generation with Islamic character, noble morals, and ready to face the challenge of the times. In Islamic education management, we learn how to manage educational institutions starting from program planning, human resource management, finance, to evolution, all based on the values of the Quran and Sunnah. Thank you.
Well, thank you for the very good and easily understandable answer. Now let's move on to the second segment, where the question is, what the importance of studying the science of Islamic education management? To our speaker, please explain about this question.
Okay, there are several reasons why studying the science of Islamic education management is important. One, answering the challenge of the times. We live in the era of globalization where education is one of the main factors in building civilization. Islamic education must not be left behind. By studying the science of Islamic education management, we can ensure that Islamic educational institutions remain relevant and competitive amidst the changing times. For example, how to build an Islamic curriculum that is still in accordance with the needs of the world of work, or how to use modern technology to improve the quality of learning in Islamic boarding school. All of that requires good management. 2. Building a generation with Islamic character. The main goal of Islamic education is to shape people of faith and piety, but how can we achieve this without thorough planning? With the science of Islamic education management, we can design an integrated system that not only focuses on academics, but also on character building. 3. Efficiency and productivity of educational institutions. The reality is that many Islamic educational institutions are still facing problems such as poor financial management, lack of human resource quality, to internal conflict with the science of Islamic education management. We can solve this problem professionally without forgetting Islamic values. 4. Integrating Islamic values into modern management system. The science of Islamic education management allow us to integrate Islamic values such as honesty, justice, and responsibility into modern management system. For example, how a school principal applies the principle of shura or consultation in decision making. So that's why it is important for us to study the science of Islamic education management.
Wow, very detailed and thorough explanation of why it is important for us to study the science of Islamic education management. Okay, let's move on to the third segment. The question is, how do we start learning it? So our highly respected speaker, please answer the question.
Learning the science of Islamic education management, here are some practical steps. Number 1. Learn from the right source of knowledge. Start by reading books or journal or Islamic education management. There are many references that you can find, both from classical scholar and from modern education expert. Number 2. Participate in training or seminar. Many organizations or universities hold training on Islamic education management. This is very helpful to deepen your knowledge and get practical insight. Number 3. Practice directly. If you are already involved in an educational institution, try to apply the principles of Islamic education management in your work. Start with small things like making more structured planning or improving team communication.
4. Learn technology for education. Islamic education management does not mean rejecting technology. On the contrary, we have to utilize technology to improve the quality of education. For example, with Sharia-based learning system or Islamic school management application. That may be a brief explanation from us about the importance of learning the science of Islamic education management. We apologize if there are any wrong words or unclear explanation because humans are the place of mistakes and forgetfulness. We also thank the host who has given opportunity to fill this event.
Well, friends, that was our discussion about the importance of studying the science of Islamic education management. Thank you again to our two great speakers. Is saying this knowledge is the key to creating excellent modern Islamic educational institution, while still being based on Islamic value. Before I end this podcast, there is a hadith that I would like to convey to all the listeners. Whoever desires the world, then with knowledge, and whoever desires the hereafter, then with knowledge, and whoever desires good, then with knowledge. So let's continue to learn and contribute to building a better Islamic education. Thank you for listening to this podcast. Don't forget to follow and share this podcast to your friend and see you next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.